What do you do when you can't undo a fixing because the socket won't reach? Grab a spanner or wrench and risk doing this? Even deep sockets and box spanners have limitations. Well, here's the perfect solution. Draper Expert go-through socket sets. The sockets have a Draper high torque 6-point profile that firmly grips the sides of the fixings, not the corners. But the big advantage is they allow long fixings to pass directly through them, even the extension bars. The unique ratchets allow edge-driven accessories to fit inside the ratchet head, and the slim, powerful profile produces up to 40% more torque than conventional ratchets. Another advantage of the go-through design is the integral shoulder that stops the socket slipping past the fixing to stop this happening. Sets are available in metric and imperial sizes and are supplied with conventional 1/4 inch and 3/8 square drive converters for use with conventional sockets. Look out for the go-through graphic on our packaging.